Pupunta kami ng Gloucester. Bakit? I'll tell you later.
What's her name?
Diamond. We're gonna go back to Diamond. Her name is Elsa right now.
Yep.
Come on
I'll
up.
show you the paperwork too if you guys
Come
make
on
it.
up, mommy. Mommy's here. Okay, you do the talking. I'll go play with them.
You want to see the paperwork?
You check on it. I just wanna play with them. Are you ready to go home? Come on, right here. Come on. Why you want to be cuddled? Do you want to be cuddled? Do you want to be cuddled? She's 8 months old. Hey, you're smiling with the camera. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You want to scratch it? You want me to scratch it? Come here, baby. You're ready to go home with mommy? You're ready to go home, mommy? It's your baby. Come here. Oh my God, you makes me so happy. You makes me so happy. You make mommy happy. You liking the camera? This is mom. Hi mom. I'm gonna get your baby. I'll take care of your baby. And this is cute Elsa. Oh my God. Hi friends. Meet Diamond. She's going with us. Addition to the family. This is Dad. Hi Dad. I don't know your name, Dad. Are you kissing goodbye with your baby?
She had a litter of puppies. You want to see the puppies?
Oh, the one that you sent to him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on.
We're gonna go see the puppies.
Yeah, see the puppy, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want to see
Yeah,
this
you
one
can
here.
play with them. Wow.
Maybe we need to get one more baby dog. Hey, are you hiding from me?
Look
Come
at that.
on. Come on. Yeah,
That's cute.
so cute. Oh my God, this is happiness. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh my God. How many weeks are they?
They are 5 weeks.
Sige, come on. Come on to mommy. Come up here.
So you're changing your mind?
No, I still won't get that one. She's perfect. She's perfect.
Yeah, she is, and she's already crate trained.
Yeah.
And she's really good. Like,
Look at
she's been
them.
out for hours right now, and she doesn't go potty in the house. But we usually stay on top of our dogs. Like every 45 minutes, we'll just let them go outside and say, "Go, come on, go outside, go potty." And a big thing. I mean, you guys already had one, so you know. But just give them a little treat every time they're outside and go potty, and
Oh yeah.
they learn quick.
Ang kukulit nila. Oh, we need to get another one, boy.
No. There's...
Ah, you're sneaking out, huh? All right, nice to meet you, babies. Bye. Me home. This is your house. Alat pa yung house natin. Okay. All right, come on up here. Come here. How are you? Welcome home. Welcome home.
Dito, nakabukas pa yung garahe.
Gaamoy-amoy. Hey, bumalik ka dun. Naglaro ka. Not gonna do anything here. Here. Hi, so this is day 2 with Diamond. We brought her to the church this morning because we want to stop by at the pet store after the service so we can get her stuff. We did bring the camera though, so what we got is this little cute collar. You wanna wear it right now? See? And then we have her leash that's retractable. We got her dog food. We actually get it free. So the salesperson over at the Petco gave us like a coupon. Like if you spend $20 or more, then you'll get a free bag of this particular brand. So we ended up buying more for her. We bought her clothes. Look at this. She was wearing it earlier because it was raining. And then this is free. I was so worried earlier because she's not eating since yesterday, only just few bites of that and that. But then I had a research. She's she's still considered as an older puppy, so it's expected for her to be like sleeping a whole lot and then not like super energetic. And then when it comes to food, it wasn't like we were expecting. But kanina, she ate few bites, and I think she likes the food that we bought for her. And so we got her that one. I'm gonna show you. We didn't buy her any toy yet because we're planning to let her have this. But then I have this. Hey, give it to me. I'm gonna show it to him. Came from my work. It's a squish ball, and she likes it. It's the first time that I ever heard her. You're here. Right here, baby. Bark, right here. Sit down. Oh, there you go. Good job. Oh, good job. Oh, wala ko treat. Mamaya ka na mag-treat. Oh, go get it! Ayaw niya ibalik sa akin. So, see you tomorrow for day 3. Let's see what we got you. This is not for you. Look what we got. Galing kaming Walmart to get your stuff. Hindi natin nabili sa pets ko when we get there. Look, what is this? What is this? Ooh, you got wipes now. Yeah, when you've done your business. Ear wipes. Toothbrush for her. Come on. Maliligo ka na. Hey, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You want... What is this? Shampoo. Smells good. Tearless. Extra gentle. Maliligo na. Kompleto na ang iyong care. Oh, we'll try this. Sunshine. Kayo alam niyo si Sunshine lang, alam niyo si Diamond lang Here you go, my friend. That's Sunshine. Look what mommy. Hoy, that's not yours. Oh, who's this? Is this you? This is Sunshine. It is Sunshine. This is day 2.
Is daw siya.
Yeah, I bought you some grapes. Daddy bought you grapes. It's very good.
Very good.
Very good. Very good. Wait, that's not yours? It's you.
To take care of that baby and do everything that I can.
This is
When
you.
I lost Praveen, I thought of that promise. I had to do it.
Hoy! Akin na yan. Bad ka Ito. Hoy! Akin na yan. Akin yan. Hoy! Akin. Ano ba yan? Dala-dalawa. Hoy! Ikaw isampay ko doon. Ikaw dito. Ikaw itali. Ikaw itali ko dito sa Christmas tree. Ay! Kaka, gusto niya tag-upwar. Baliw. Hoy, akin na yan. Hindi yan laruan. Wala na akong panglagay sa Christmas tree. Ayaw niya ibigay sa boy mo. Siya, parang tanga, Ay, okay. Hoy! Sunshine, bad siya, no? Nakuha niya to, no? This is you, my love, This is Sunshine. Lagay ka pa, medyo mataas pa. Kitang-kita. Yes, this is you. That's you. Look at you. Kita ba? Si Colette. Hi! Ang kulit mo. Kukunin ko na. Kukunin ko na. Kukunin ko na. Paano yan? What are we gonna do? Ay naku, malaksabay mo kulit mo. It's a nice day. Mamaya tayo maglakad sa neighborhood. Labas tayo. Wow! I want you to see the backyard. Yay! Come on. Hindi nga pala tayo marunong sa hagdan. Dito. Mamaya tayo maglalakad hapon. Bibi ko to eh. Hindi siya marunong sa hagdan pa. She can't do the stairs yet. She's still a baby. Oh, pasyal ka sa garden ni Mami na walang tanim. Come on. Diamond, come here. Yeah, next summer you're gonna be swimming on that pool.
Pikit ka.
Ayan, pikit.
Ay, ano, lapit ka pala rito.
Lumalapit na nakapikit. Ah,
Come on. Diamond, come here.
come here.
Come here. Come on.
Mhm.
You
Ah,
like this? Ah, pili.
ah,
Pikit ka.
this one.
Which
Yan.
one?
This one.
Yan.
Ay, mali. Ah, wala.
Diamond, you choose.
Diamond, right here. This one. This one. This one. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Ano yan?
Mm. Ah. Sa bone.
Shush! Diamond
What's that? What's that?
Williamson. Ah, thank you! Look at
Hawa na
you!
yan.
Kaling na kami si PJ naman pasimula. Look at you! Diamond
Diyan lang.
Williamson. Ah, sunshine kasi ikaw. Ba't
Sunshine, bibigyan din kita collar.
thank you! Isuot na natin. Kunin ko yung collar niya sa itaas. Yay! Yay!
Ganda-ganda naman, puro diamond.
Okay, thank you.
Bait naman. Ow!